Hey guys, this is a quick demo of this Tapo Smart Contact Sensor working with this Tapo Smart Wi-Fi light bulb and also with Alexa. So basically, when I open the contact sensor here, you're gonna see this.
Welcome home. It's nice to have you here.
Right, so it turns on the light and also can hear something here from Alexa. Super simple. And I can just come back here again and use another Tapo device to turn the lights off. There we go. And I can just set up everything here from my cell phone. Basically, I'm using here the light bulb and also the sensor, and I can just create a smart action to turn off and turn on the lamp. And I can also come here and do the same using the Alexa app and even use the Echo Dot to say something here. Okay, so a quick demo and works pretty fine. And if you want to learn more, I have another video here in the channel where I show how to set it up everything, all right? I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.